Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar and to a very interesting collab. Billy Idol, Avril Lavigne. Alright, they have a lot of decades of experience being there in the spotlight as artists, and they do 77 together. Great song, punk, rockish, yes. Yes, of course. So let's go into this song, and we're gonna do that without any capo. We have 4 chords to go over. I'm gonna start with them. And the C, that's the first one. You're gonna play 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have G next, and that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have E minor. That will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is the B minor, which is a bar chord, so play your index finger on the 2nd fret and push down 5 strings if you count from bottom and up like this. Then you need to add 4th on a D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Okay, so you have 2 ways of playing this. Either you go with the more just straight punk style, 4 downs per chord. So if you grab the first chord C, you're gonna play it this. And it's nice if you can mute it with the back side of your hand. You just lean that on top of the strings and you just play like this on the bass strings normally. So 1 string around will be about the 4 fast downs. So like that, okay? So in a context, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. All right, that's the number of strumming rounds I counted there. If you want to relax a little bit more, and I want to do that, I show you that in the introduction tutorial, then you're gonna play down, up, down, up. So like this. And then in context, either way works here. And yes, let's go into the actual song. And it's very, very easy, guys. We have 1 main pattern, and you're gonna play 2 string rounds per chord. And the chord progression is the way comes in the way we learned the chords. So C2, G2, E minor 2, and B minor 2. That makes up for 98% of the song. So a couple rounds goes like this. Alright, then at 1 minute and 45 seconds comes the bridge part. What you're going to do here is to play just 1 down on the B minor with a pause, and then you switch to C, pause again, and you do that for 3 rounds. And the 3rd round B minor, and then C, and then you go back to the main pattern again. And that, my friends, covers Billy Idol's and Lavigne's 77. Hope to see you soon here on this channel, guys. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this specific song here on Gordon Guitar. Thank you for watching, guys, and until next time, play tuned.